Crochet a toadstool granny square with me. For this project I used double knit weight yarn in red, white and a contrasting colour, crochet hook 4mm, yarn needle and scissors. The approximate finished size is 3.5 inches. List of the abbreviations I used is in the description. Have your 3 colours ready, as there are colour changes in the first and second rounds. Round 1. Begin with red, in a magic ring, chain 3. Double crochet 9 into the ring. Change your yarn to a contrasting colour. Crochet around the yarn tails to carry the yarn. Double crochet 2. Change to white yarn. Again, making sure to crochet around the tails to carry the yarn. Double crochet 3. Change back to the contrasting colour. And double crochet 2. Change your yarn back to red. And pull the red yarn tail to close the ring. Slip stitch 1 into the first stitch of the round. Round 2. Keep crocheting around the yarn tails to carry the yarn. Chain 3 and double crochet 1 the same stitch. And chain 1. Do a 2 double crochet cluster, so yarn over, insert hook, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops on the hook twice. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on the hook and chain 1. Keep crocheting around the yarn tails to carry the yarn. 2 double crochet cluster and chain 1 7 more times. Change yarn to the contrasting colour and drop the red yarn. chain 1 and 2 double crochet cluster, chain 1 2 times. Change to white yarn. Two double crochet cluster and chain 1 3 times. Change the yarn to the contrasting colour and drop the white yarn. 2 double crochet cluster, chain 1 2 times. Slip stitch 1 into the first stitch of the round. Cut the red and white yarn tails and sew the loose ends before round 3. Round 3, chain 1 and single crochet 1 into the chain space below, then chain 2. Single crochet 1 into the next chain space and chain 2. Double crochet 1 into the next chain space and chain 5. Double crochet 1 into the next chain space and chain 2. Repeat this pattern 3 more times. So single crochet 1, chain 2, single crochet 1 into the next chain space, chain 2, double crochet 1 into the next chain space, and chain 5, and then double crochet 1 into the next chain space. Continue around. Slip stitch 1 into the first stitch of the round. Round 4, chain 3 and double crochet 2 into the next chain space. Double crochet 3 the next chain space, double crochet 3, chain 2 and double crochet 3 into the corner chain space. Double crochet 3 into the next 3 chain spaces, then double crochet 3, chain 2, double crochet 3 into the corner chain space 3 more times. Double crochet 3 into the last chain space, and slip stitch 1 into the first stitch of the round. Change the yarn colour if you wish and chain 1. Single crochet 1 the same stitch, and single crochet 7. Single crochet 1, chain 2, single crochet 1 into the corner chain space, single crochet 15, single crochet 1, chain 2, single crochet 1 into the corner chain space 3 more times. Single crochet 7, slip stitch 1 into the first stitch of the round. Sew loose ends and your toadstool granny square is complete. Okay, love you, bye!